Simple Teaching with Teacher Miley. Hello kids! Today we are going to practice reading the CVC Words. So, are you ready kids? Amazing! So let's begin. At word family. A. T. At. At. K. At. K. At. Cat. Cat. Read it again, kids. Cat. B. At. B. At. Bat. Bat. Read it again, kids. Bat. At. At. Rat. Rat. Read it again, kids. Rat. At. At. Mat. Mat. Read it again, kids. Mat. At. At. Hat. Hat. Read it again, kids. Hat. At. At. Fat. Fat. Read it again, kids. Fat. And now, it's your time to practice reading at words family. Go, kids! Cat. Bat. Rat. Mat. Hat. Fat. And finally, let's practice reading together. Let's start. Cat. Mat. Hat. Bat. Rat. Fat. Very good, kids. Until next time, thank you for watching. Goodbye.